Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? This space documentary takes you on a journey through the universe. The journey begins where our life began, on our small blue planet Earth. Then we travel past distant planets, burning stars, and frozen moons. We cross swirling galaxies, drift through deep space, and reach the very edge of the cosmos. Along the way, you'll discover how stars are born, how galaxies collide, and how everything we know began in a single brilliant moment. This is the story of the universe, of time, of space, and of us, a journey across the unknown to find out where we came from and what might be waiting. Now let us begin our journey. Take a moment. Notice this tiny point of light, gently floating in a shaft of sunlight. It's just a speck of dust, adrift in the vastness of the cosmos. This is our home. This is where our story unfolds. Here, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you've ever heard of, every human being who ever lived, shared their lives. All our joys and sorrows, thousands of beliefs and ideas, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every builder and destroyer of civilization, each one lived out their days here. All of it, every moment, took place on this mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Our planet is a lonely speck, surrounded by the deep cosmic dark. In all this vastness, there's no sign that help will come from elsewhere. Astronomy, they say, is a humbling and character-building experience. From this view, our world feels incredibly precious, a small stage in a grand cosmic theater. For millennia, we have looked up at the night sky. We have stared into its dark, glittering expanse with a sense of awe and wonder. The stars have been our guides, our storytellers, and our inspiration. What are those points of light? How far away are they? Are we alone in this immense universe? These are the questions that have driven humanity's quest for knowledge, pushing us to look beyond our own world. The cosmos calls to us, a silent invitation written in the language of light and gravity. The night sky is a time machine. The light from the nearest stars takes years to reach our eyes. When we look up, we are not just seeing space, we are seeing back in time. Our journey begins with a departure. We must leave our cradle. We rise above the thin blue line of our atmosphere, the delicate shield that separates our world from the cold, hard vacuum of space. With every passing moment, we move further into the domain of the Sun. Its presence becomes overwhelming. The Sun is a colossal nuclear furnace that floods the solar system with energy. Its surface is a turbulent, churning sea of plasma, far from the serene yellow disk we see from Earth. Our first destination is the innermost planet, Mercury. It is a world of extremes. Mercury speeds through space, perpetually blasted by the solar wind. The landscape is covered in craters, ancient scars from billions of years of impacts. This leads to the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. Our next port of call is Venus. From a distance, it appears as a serene and brilliant jewel, but this sisterly resemblance is only skin deep. Venus is permanently shrouded in corrosive sulfuric acid clouds, hiding a true planetary hell. Surface temperatures are a uniform and staggering 465 degrees Celsius. We travel further from the Sun, and the next world we encounter is Mars, the red planet. Today, Mars is a cold, dry, and seemingly dead world. Yet, everywhere we look on Mars, we see the ghosts of a different past. We see evidence of a planet that was once warmer, wetter, and much more like Earth. Leaving the inner, rocky planets behind, we now venture into a new region of the solar system. We are entering the main asteroid belt. This is the debris of a planet that never was. These asteroids are the leftover building blocks from the formation of the solar system, prevented from coalescing by Jupiter's immense gravitational influence. We have crossed the asteroid belt and now approach the undisputed king of the solar system, Jupiter. This is a world on a scale that dwarfs everything we have seen so far. It is a gas giant, so massive that it contains more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm, wider than our entire planet. Continuing our outward journey, we arrive at what is arguably the most beautiful and iconic world in our solar system. Saturn is distinguished by its breathtaking system of rings. Saturn also possesses a rich and diverse collection of moons. Titan is shrouded in a thick atmosphere, while Enceladus spews plumes of water vapor from geysers near its south pole. We now travel into the deep, cold outer reaches of the solar system to the realm of the ice giants. Uranus is tilted on its side, while Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system. Beyond the orbit of Neptune lies a vast icy frontier known as the Kuiper Belt. Here we find Pluto, once considered the ninth planet, now understood as the king of the Kuiper Belt. Even the Kuiper Belt is not the final boundary. Our journey takes us even further into the theoretical Oort cloud, a colossal spherical cloud of icy bodies thought to extend almost a quarter of the way to the next star system. We are approaching a monumental, invisible boundary. This is the heliopause, the point where the solar wind finally collides with the interstellar medium. This is the final farewell to our home system. We are now immersed in the interstellar medium, the tenuous mixture of gas, dust, and cosmic rays that fills the space between the stars. So, we're now navigating the interstellar void, the space that lies between the star systems of our galaxy. While this space is a far more perfect vacuum than anything we can create on Earth, it isn't truly empty. As we journey through the space between the stars, we're exposed to a constant, invisible rain of high-energy particles. These are cosmic rays, messengers from the most extreme environments in our galaxy. After a journey lasting more than 4 years at the speed of light, we approach our first interstellar destination. This is the Alpha Centauri system, the closest star system to our own sun. Our search in the Alpha Centauri system has been rewarded. We have confirmed the existence of at least one planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, a rocky planet slightly more massive than Earth. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of our place in the universe. We have found them in a dazzling array of types and sizes. The galaxy, it turns out, is teeming with planets. Our journey has taken us through stellar nurseries and graveyards. Now, we must change our perspective once more. We pull back, moving further and further away from the stellar neighborhood we just explored. We're part of a galaxy, a colossal spinning island of stars, gas, and dust, bound together by gravity. This is the Milky Way. It's a barred spiral galaxy, a vast pinwheeling city of suns. The most prominent features are the spiral arms, density waves where stars, gas, and dust bunch up, triggering intense bursts of star formation. Our sun, our solar system, our entire journey thus far, is located in one of these arms, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. We now journey to the most extreme and mysterious location in our galaxy, the very center. Our destination is Sagittarius A star. This is the gravitational anchor of our galaxy, a monster in the dark, with a mass equivalent to more than 4 million of our suns. It is a supermassive black hole. We have explored our home galaxy from its suburbs to its core. Now we must take the next momentous step. We are leaving the Milky Way behind. We have now crossed into a new realm, intergalactic space. This is the void between the galaxies, an emptiness even more profound and complete than the interstellar space we traversed earlier. We are not entirely alone in this intergalactic void. Our Milky Way galaxy is part of a small cluster of galaxies known as the Local Group. The two giants are our own Milky Way and the slightly larger Andromeda galaxy. They are on a collision course, pulled together by their mutual gravity at about 110 kilometers per second. As we pull our perspective back even further, we begin to see the true grand design of the universe. On the largest scales, galaxies are arranged in an immense, intricate pattern, a vast network of structures known as the cosmic web. As we observe this magnificent cosmic web, we are faced with a profound realization. Everything we have seen makes up only about 5% of the total mass and energy content of the universe. The other 95% is composed of dark matter and dark energy. Our journey has now reached the furthest shores of space. To go further, we must now travel backward in time into the universe's infancy. We leave the familiar galaxies behind and venture into an era known as the Cosmic Dawn. We are now more than 13 billion years in the past, witnessing the birth of the first stars. These first stars were unlike any that exist today. They were true giants, monsters of hydrogen and helium, hundreds of times more massive than our own sun, shining with brilliant blue-white light. The lives of these first stars were spectacular but incredibly brief. They died in colossal supernova explosions, forging the first heavy elements and blasting them out into the surrounding space. Following the birth of the first stars, we witness the formation of the first galaxies. These are small, clumpy, and irregular, more like galactic fragments than the mature galaxies of today. These proto-galaxies are constantly interacting, colliding and merging in a process of cosmic cannibalism that will continue for billions of years. To go further back, we must now enter an era before the first stars and galaxies. We are now in a period known as the Cosmic Dark Ages. The universe was plunged into a profound, starless darkness. This was a universe of sound, not light. The gas that filled the cosmos was filled with vast, slow-moving ripples of pressure, sound waves left over from the very early universe. We have arrived at a pivotal moment in cosmic history, about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. The universe became transparent for the very first time. This is the oldest light in the universe, the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Today, we observe this ancient light as the cosmic microwave background, the universe's baby picture. Our journey now takes us past the first light into the opaque fog of the early universe. Here, the universe is an unimaginably hot, dense, and rapidly expanding soup of fundamental particles. Between the first second and the first 3 minutes, the universe cooled enough for protons and neutrons to begin fusing together. In just 3 minutes, the fundamental building blocks of matter were forged. We have reached the final stage of our journey backward in time. We are approaching the very beginning, where the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. This is the beginning of the Big Bang. It was not an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself. From this singularity, the universe began a period of incredible, exponential expansion known as cosmic inflation. In a tiny fraction of a second, the universe expanded from a size smaller than a proton to larger than a galaxy, setting the initial conditions for everything that followed. Our journey has taken us to the very edge of understanding, but this final destination leaves us with the most profound question of all. What happened before the Big Bang? Some theories propose that our universe is not the only one. The concept of a multiverse suggests that the Big Bang was not a unique event, but that our universe is just one bubble in a vast, eternally inflating cosmic foam. Other ideas suggest that the Big Bang was not a beginning, but a transition. Perhaps our universe emerged from the collapse of a previous universe in a cyclical process of expansion and contraction. Our epic voyage is now complete. Now, with our minds full of cosmic wonders, we begin our final journey, the journey home. We retrace our path, moving forward through time, watching as the universe evolves from its simple, hot beginnings into the complex, structured cosmos we know. The familiar spiral of the Andromeda Galaxy greets us like an old friend before we turn our sights toward our own home, the Milky Way. The sun grows from a bright star into a dominant, life-giving disk. The planets of our solar system appear, their familiar orbits tracing paths around their parent star. Finally, ahead of us, a single beautiful point of light grows, resolving itself into a swirl of blue and white. It is Earth, the pale blue dot. Our journey has taught us a profound lesson about connection. Every atom in our bodies, every rock, every drop of water has a cosmic story. The calcium in our bones and the iron in our blood were forged in the fiery hearts of massive stars. The laws of physics that govern the orbit of our moon are the same laws that choreograph the dance of galaxies in the most distant clusters. There is a deep, underlying unity to the cosmos. We are also connected through time. When we look up at the night sky, we are looking into the past. The light from the stars is a relic, an echo of events that happened years, centuries, or millennia ago. We are not merely observers of this grand cosmic drama, we are participants. We are a product of the universe, a way for the cosmos to know itself. The stardust from which we are made has organized itself into conscious beings capable of looking back out at the source from which they came. Perhaps the greatest gift of this cosmic journey is the gift of perspective. Seeing our world from a distance as a small and fragile ball of life changes how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. The Earth is a single stage, and on this stage, we are all players in the same human story. The cosmic perspective reveals our shared identity and our common destiny on this one precious world. In all our travels through all the countless stars and barren worlds, we have found nothing else quite like Earth. This makes our home not less important because it is small, but more precious because it is rare. Ultimately, the cosmic perspective encourages a sense of responsibility. Seeing the Earth from space, with no visible borders, reminds us that we are all crew members on the same spaceship Earth. The challenges we face, climate change, loss of biodiversity, conflict, are global challenges that require global cooperation. The perspective gained from our journey is a powerful motivator to cherish and protect the only home we have ever known. Our journey may be over, but the human quest for knowledge is not. What we have presented is a snapshot of our understanding today, but science is a continuous process of discovery. The great mysteries remain. What is the true nature of dark matter and dark energy? These two components make up 95% of the cosmos, yet we know almost nothing about them. Understanding them will require new ideas, new technologies, and perhaps a complete revolution in our understanding of physics. The greatest discoveries may still lie ahead of us. The quest for a theory of everything is the ultimate goal of fundamental physics, a search for the single, elegant set of rules that governs all of reality. This innate curiosity is one of the most noble aspects of the human spirit. We have returned to where we started, on our pale blue dot, but we see it with new eyes. Our journey has shown us that our place in the cosmos is one of beautiful contradiction. We are infinitesimally small, yet we are also immeasurably significant. We are conscious beings, capable of comprehending the universe's scale, its history, and its beauty. We are the universe's way of thinking about itself. Our existence is a testament to an unbroken chain of cosmic events stretching back 13.8 billion years. We are the inheritors of this incredible cosmic legacy. What we do with this awareness is perhaps the most important question of all. The universe does not give us a purpose, but it gives us a context, and within that context, we can create our own meaning. We can choose to be inspired. We can be inspired to explore further, to learn more, and to appreciate the incredible good fortune of our existence. We can be inspired to act with more kindness, more empathy, and more wisdom. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this journey. Remember that you are not just looking out at the universe, you are looking at your own origins. You are a part of this grand, mysterious, and beautiful cosmos, and in this vast, silent universe, on this one small world, we have found a voice. We have found a consciousness, and we have found each other. Our ultimate place in the cosmos is right here, together, for now. And that is the most wondrous thing of all.